Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning aha. How to write aha? Draw a semicircle and connected to that another semicircle. Then draw a sleeping line from the center like this and draw a standing line touching the sleeping line. Then draw a sleeping line on the top and place 2 dots on the right side. Now we have learned aha. There are no words which begin with the letter aha. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel.